Hello everyone, it's Salman here. Welcome to my channel SK Technical Figure. So today we are going to talk about the new Lenovo Legion 2 Pro. Arrival is officially scheduled for 8th of April. So let's start the video. As the last month has seen an avalanche of the new gaming devices, the ZTE Nubia Red Magic 6 series, the Asus ROG Phone 5 lineup, and two Xiaomi Black Shark 4 devices. But now it's time for the new Lenovo Legion 2 Pro to make an appearance, and we finally know the date of unveiling. It's 8th of April. The news was broken by Lenovo's gaming branch on Weibo. The new flagship will be a hero that come out to solve a problem the others can, and we hope this means the phone would bring something never before seen in the mobile devices. One previous teaser suggested a dual turbo cooling system with two physical fans in the devices, which would indeed be an industry first. We also expect Snapdragon 888 chipset with a 16GB RAM, up to 110W fast charging through two USB ports, and a striking design. Just a reminder that the first Lenovo Legion Dual Pro had the dual camera in the middle of the back panel, unlike any other smartphone in the world. So this is the latest update from the Chinese Lenovo's gaming company, which I will mention in the description. I hope you enjoyed the video and got some enough information about the new Lenovo Legion 2 Pro, which is coming on 8th of April. If you had not subscribed to my channel yet, hit subscribe button, like, and share this video to your friends. We will meet in the next video. Till then, it's goodbye.